apologies to all of our customers for the inconvenience over the past 2 weeks that we've been shut down. Today, it's been the Thursday, the 9th of April, is our first official day back. Our ambition was to make it as safe or safer than people would expect in a supermarket condition. And at any shift change, this is a supervised entrance. We call it the sanitising station area. Yellow lines marking out 2 metre distancing, 2 metre social distancing, to make sure people are keeping that 2 metres apart. Clocking in station, which is touch-free, so I've got my gloves on. That's our new policy. Gloves. Blue being a walkway, as you'll see behind me. Red being a no-go zone for anyone, because it gets too close to an operator of the machine. And yellow being the place that an operator would stand. There's been a lot of smashing through walls with sledgehammers, rather than cutting it to try and minimise the dust, as you'll see like this. This is our, what we call the Stonehenge locker area now, if you can see behind me here. Stud walling being put up, which protects all of our gluing machine feeders. These extra bits of equipment that were usually on the other side of the machine have been brought to this side of the machine. It doesn't look too pretty, we never can confess to that. This has been about prioritising health and safety. Our pallet presses had to be moved, again to be within, to be much further away than 2 metres. Doors being implemented as we speak to make sure high-speed roller doors keep the environment at the right temperature in here for people to work. Now that this wall has been removed, we used to have basically 2 packers on the back here that were, only either side of the machine, so only about 1.2 metres away. What we've had to do is change this with the conveying here and then the palletizer at the end. It's Perspex screens for this one machine. 180-degree hinge, as you can see behind me here, just to make sure that the doors can actually push both ways. There's a touch-free zone, so actually it's possible now to just push open. Hey presto, the lights come on automatically. Taps you can turn on with your elbow, turn on and off, as you can see there. Hand dryers, electrical hand dryers, and actually when you're in, being able to change the lock here, so you can lock that again with your elbow, hands free, open it with your elbow. But actually these are very simple. I'd recommend them to all companies, to hook your toe underneath and reopen that door. If you've got any ideas to share with us of anything else that we can implement, we'd love to hear it. We by no means think we've achieved everything possible, just everything that springs to mind while we continue to do our best in this dreadful situation.